A set of letters. A set of letters which represents the basic sounds is called alphabet. There are 26 letters in English language. Kinds of letters. Letters can be classified on two basics. Kinds of letters according to the shape. Kinds of letters according to the sound. Kinds of letters according to the shape. There are two types of letters according to shapes: capital letters, small letters. Kinds of letters according to the sound: vowels, consonant. Vowels. The letters which help other letters to make proper sounds are called vowels. A vowel sound is a sound which is produced without being blocked by tongue or lips. 5 letters A, E, I, O, U are vowels. Consonants. All English letters are called consonant. In English alphabets, there are 21 consonants. These are as under: B, C, D, F, A, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, S, T, P, W, Y, Z. Vowels: O, consonant, P, T. Words: top. Vowel: O, consonant, T, P. Consonant sounds. A consonant letters usually represents one consonant sound. Some consonant letters, for example, C, G, S, can represent two different consonant sounds. C, F, G, J, L, N, Q, S, V, X, Y. सीन की आवाज़, सी की आवाज़, शीन की आवाज़, फे की आवाज़, जीम और जे, एल, एन, काफ और काफ की आवाज़, सीन, शीन, वाओ, एक्स और छोटी। Lesson number 2. Words. Meaningful group of letters is called words. I-E, J-U-G, jug. Letter A-R-R-O-W, arrow. Hand. Component words. Component word is a word that is made up of two or more other words. For example, the word sunflower is made up of two words, sun and flower. Some examples of common compound words: wheel, chair, toothbrush, wheelchair, toothbrush. These are compound words. Sun, sunflower, flower, car, go. Sunflower, cargo. Compound words. More compound words: afternoon, airbag, myself, bathroom, volleyball, stepson, milkshake, motorcycle, aircraft, birthday, good night, successful, airplane, briefcase, indoor, beautiful, airport, careless, keyword, peanut, anyway, chairman, landlord, sunflower, sunset, daylight, manhole, sunlight. Syllable, hije. Syllable is a basic unit written and have uninterrupted sound that can be used to make up words. Example, the word hotel has two syllables. Hotel. This will be marked as hotel. Every syllable contains at least one vowel. एक हिस्सा एक वोवल पर मुश्तमिल होता है. एक syllable एक वोवल हर्फ पर मुश्तमिल होगा. हो, इसमें ओ है वोवल और इसमें ई है. होटेल. टू syllable, two vowel words. Syllable. Wolf. One syllable. Wolf, pen, hope, cheap. Three syllable. Camera, camera. Forgetful, forgetful. One syllable, two syllables. Zebra, Friday, winter. Machine. Four syllable. Elevator, calculator. Homophones, pair of words. हम आवाज़, अल्फाज. हम आवाज़, अल्फाज. Homophones. Letter, letter. Marry, marry. Heel, heel. Floor, floor. Team, team. Gate, gate. Rain, rain. Profit, profit. Gate, gate. Veil, veil. Seat, sit. Fair, fair. Soul, soul. Bear, bear. Yolk, yolk. Tails, tails. Accept, accept. Tail, tail. Accept. He accepted my proposal. Accept. All except Shahid were present. Bear. Don't walk bareheaded. Bear. There is a bear in the zoo. Fair. The fair was held in Lahore. Fair. The fare of Metrobus is 20. Peace. Muslims are peaceful people. Peace. I ate a piece of bread. Floor. She is kneading flour. Floor. He is sitting on the floor. Weak. Aslam is a weak person. Weak. I shall come back next week. Tail. This donkey has a short tail. Tail. He told me an old tale. Foul. The air of this room is quite foul. Foul. He keeps fowls. Principal. Mr. Aslam is the principal of this school. Principal. He is the man of principle. Heard, I heard you call my name. Heard, there was a head of goats in the field. Or, the show will begin in 1 hour. Or, our house is in Main Street. Exercise. Tick the correct answer. A meaningful group of letters is called word. Example of word is book. A word that is made up of 2 or more other words is called compound word. Compound word. Which one of the following is not a compound word? Fish, starfish, afternoon, airport. Fish. Others are compound words. Star, fish, compound word. Afternoon, compound word. Airport, compound word. Which one of following is one syllable word? Ball, Friday, water, camera. Ball. Ball is one syllable word. Which one of the following is two syllable word? Gun, hope, jeep, danger. Danger. Danger is two syllable word. Which one of the following is three syllable word? Chapter, winter, winter, morning, Saturday, Saturday. Saturday is three syllable word. Which one of the following is four syllable word? Carpenter, September, forgetful, discovery. इसमें I think है carpenter. Which one of the following is compound word? Step sister, software, peanut. All of these. He accept my proposal. He accepted. ये वाला आएगा accepted, B वाला. Complete the sentence using the right word from the pair. All except Shahid were present. Don't walk bareheaded. He died of cholera. The fair was held in Lahore. Muslims are peaceful people. She is kneading flour. Aslam is weak person. This donkey has a short tail. He keeps fowl. She gave birth to a child. इनके आंसर हैं यहाँ पर. ये इसको इस तरह से हम देखेंगे. Don't walk bareheaded. Except ये वाला आएगा. bareheaded ये आएगा. And died or fair, peace, floor, weak, tail, fall, birth. Antonyms, opposite words. Despair, hope, departure, arrival, and beginning. Cowardice, bravery, surplus, defect, health, disease, flow, ebb, exit, entrance, fiction, fact, infamy, fame, slavery, freedom. Tail, head, descent, ascent, sorrow, joy, servant, master, illness, recovery, frown, smile, intolerance, tolerance, bottom, top, defeat, victory, peace, war, folly, wisdom. Active, passive, agreeable, disagreeable, open, close, civilized, barbarous, beautiful, ugly, bold, timid, certain, uncertain, clean, dirty, clever, stupid, kind, cruel. Loud, low, mental, physical, mortal, immoral. Positive, negative, odd, even, permanent, temporary, polite, impolite, practical, theoretical. Public, private, pure, impure. Accept, reject, comfort, disturb, below, above, early, late. Laugh, weep, go, come, frequently, occasionally, quickly, slowly. Now here is exercise. The opposite of alive is dead. The opposite of admit, deny. The opposite of ally is enemy. The opposite of arrival, departure. The opposite of bad is good. The opposite of big is small. The opposite of blame is praise. The opposite of bitter is sweet. The opposite of cunning is simple. The opposite of come is go. Open, close, wet, dry, short, long, good, bad, narrow, wide, dangerous, big, small, far, clean, dirty, sit, stand, out, in, sick, good, laugh, weep, old, new, clearly, darkly, give, take, top, down, safe, unsafe. Similar words: able, capable, add, sum up, after, behind, aim, goal, all, entry, answer, reply, arrive, reach, ask, inquire, cure, heal, delay, postpone, eat, munch, end, finish, enough, sufficient, fetch, bring. Fetch, bring, form, shape, gift, present, go, depart, help, assist, hold, grasp, honest, truthful, hurry, rush, income, revenue, little, small. Bean, nasty. Near, close, noise, clatter, occur, happen. One, single, pain, ache, put, place, write, correct, say, speak, still, unmoving. Story, tell, take, get. Thin, slim, tiny, small. Third, twist, unfair, combine, value, worth, kill, murder. Kind, sympathetic, kind, type, large, big. Look, glaze, make, build. Business, trade, occupation, famous, well known, friend, companions, incidents, happenings, walk, march, want, crave, permission, former constant, participate, take part, sportsmanship, playing fair, prettier, more beautiful, sail, to move across water. Atmosphere, surrounding, fragrance, sweet smell, scarcity, a short supply, rare, unusual, manifest, show something clearly, amazing, wonderful, invented, created something new, popped, put suddenly, scooped out, taken out, adopt, choose, pretended, not genuine, addicted, dependent on, drugs, hardships, difficulties, ugly, unpleasant to look at, fuel, material for burning. Trustworthy, loyal, reliable, emit, sent out, garbage, domestic waste, untidy, dirty, sidewalk, pavements, rubbish, waste material, charming, pleasing, bore, private room, heaven, paradise, prevail, exist, stress, mental tension, stuff, any material, energetic, full of energy. Distract, confuse, sleepy, ready to fall asleep. Mind, object, rare, uncommon, bitter, tasting harshly. Alive, having life. Lane, a narrow road, sudden, fixed, swallow, swift flying bird. Loveliest, the most beautiful, please, to give satisfaction. Lead, a heavy metal, dull, lacking, brightness, assigned, allotted. Exercise, the correct similar word of able. Capable, the correct similar word of peer. Tolerate, the correct similar word of cheat. Deceive, the correct similar word of delay. Postponed, postponed. The correct similar word of energy. Power, the correct similar word of faith. Trust, the correct similar word of gift. Present, the correct similar word of Grateful is thankful. The correct similar word of happy, glad. Glad. The correct similar word of idea, plan. Write the similar words. Alphabetical order.